Just a week ago, if you'd had the guts to drop a mere $100 into the red-hot meme coin MOEW, you'd be sitting on a gold mine of $16,000 today. Jaw-dropping, eh? Here's something crazier. A daring soul threw $13,000 into Do-not-fomo-ew, MOEW, and in just a blink, that stash staggered up to $2 million. Yes, you heard it right. His money ballooned 160 times in 1 week. This meme coin magic isn't pulled from thin air. It's born in the blazing lanes of the Base blockchain and Solana blockchain. Picture this one trader locking in $13,000 on MOEW right before it debuted on the decentralized stage, then soaring past the clouds to rake in $2 million. It's a meme coin frenzy out there, folks. From the streets of Base to the corners of Solana, these digital tokens are the new gold rush. Take, for example, the Solana sensation Book of Meow, BOMEOW. It catapulted a whopping 300% in just hours yesterday. Don't get me started on the Trump token, a token that you could have gotten for a mere 20 cents a piece back in January on Ethereum. Fast forward until now, it's trading at an eye-watering $5.25. But wait, there's more. On the Solana blockchain, the Joe Biden token, BODEN, a playful nod at Joe Biden, kicked off at just 2 cents last month. Today, it's fetching 75 cents. That, my friends, is an astronomical 3,700% rise. Navigating the swirling tides of meme coin markets demands more than just a hopeful heart. It calls for a master plan. My secret? A finely crafted strategy to cash in on profits as prices soar. I've boiled it down to an art form, systematically selling off bits and pieces as my investment doubles, triples, and even quadruples in value. By the time the holding hits 5x of the original price, I've smooth-sailedly past the break-even. I pulled out my original investment. Curious about the nitty-gritty? I've laid it all out in a handy spreadsheet and it's waiting for you on my Patreon. I'll even walk you through it in an upcoming video, with Solana as the star of the show. You see, I struck gold with Solana too. Snagged it at a humble $14 a coin. Fast forward to today, it's towering at $185. But here's the kicker. I just didn't sit back and watch it climb. No, I played it smart, cashing out in bits as it surged, ensuring by the time that it hit $70 a coin, my initial investment was safely back in my pocket. The rest was all sweet, sweet profit, letting me ride the wave without a worry in the world. That's the thrill of the meme coin trade, my friends. It's fast, it's furious, it's not for the faint-hearted. But amidst the gold rush, there's one golden rule you must never forget. A strategy to skim profits on the way up is essential. It's what separates the dreamers from the doers, the winners from the watchers. So if you're ready to dive into the whirlwind world of meme coins, to chase the adrenaline-pumping highs and navigate the heart-stopping lows, remember, it's not just about luck. It's about strategy, timing, and a bit of daring. Remember, having a strategy to take profits along the way is crucial. All the best.